Value time and make the best use of it. These are the words of a global thought leader and my personal mentor, Fela Durotoye. My name is Seyi Agbede, and I am the shortest distance between who you are and who you want to become. And in this edition of 100 Seconds with Seyi, I'll be talking to you about how to manage time. Time essentially cannot be managed. We all have 24 hours in a day, and that cannot change. But what you can manage are the activities that you perform within the time that you have. The bad news is that time flies. The good news is that you are the pilot. So, how do you pilot the affairs of time to work in your favor? Work from your calendar and not your to-do list. Research shows that 42% of the activities on the to-do list never get done at all. And you spend so much valuable time planning this list than actually getting it done. Learn to delegate. Delegate the smaller and less important tasks to people while you focus on the more important tasks. Say no to multitasking. Contrary to what you might think, multitasking doesn't help you to become more efficient. It slows you down, makes you less creative, and makes you complete tasks with less quality. Learn to say no. There is no vacuum in your time. Whenever you say yes to something, you have actually said no to something else. Now, it is impossible to be able to exhaust all the tips about time management in such a short time, as I also have to manage my time with you. Till I come your way again, remember, there is greatness on your inside and the world is waiting for your manifestation.